Hello Ellie, hello Elishka, hello my Katya. We will do lesson 8, very easy chapter, module 6. Okay, read carefully, write 2.3 into equivalent tens and hundreds. Okay, so first I will go here down, see here. When we are there, we have to write on tenth. At that time, we cut the, see, this is 2.3 they have said, so we have to make 3 boxes. Okay, and each box we have to cut into 10 pieces, one box, 2 box, 3 box. But here they have said 2.3 means 2 ones are there. This is when we cut in these boxes into 10 segments, means each one carry 1/10, 1/10, 1/10. We have discussed this. So this whole box is having 10/10, that is equal to 1 whole. This is having 10/10, that is equal to 1 whole. So 2 whole is completed, 2 ones is completed. Now 3/10 is 1, 2, 3. This is 2.3. So we have to write on, then we will share 3 segments only. So this is 3/10. 1/10 plus 2/10 plus 3/10, 3/10. Okay, so how many total tenths are there? 10 plus 10, 10, 20 plus 3, 23. Yes, grandma, it is 23 and 23 tenths. So how many tenths are there in 2.3? Grandma, it is 23 tenths. So answer will be 23 tenths. Right, Ellie? Now see, when they are asking in hundreds, so what we have to do, we have to again cross these 10 segments to each tenth. Now in the previous one, we have done it in tenth form. Okay, 1/10, 2/10, 3/10. Now it is hundredth form because we are cutting tenth into 10 section again. Here we got 10 section, here again we are getting 10 section to 1/10. So that is why it become 100 on 100. 10 multiplied by 10 is 100, right? So both the side we are multiplying, so what 100, this will be 100 hundredth. Okay, earlier it was 10/10 because only 10 segments were there, and this were each one was 1/10. Now each one is again cut into 10 section. Each 1/10 is cut into 10 sections. So at that time we will get 100 on 100. Okay, 100th, 100 100th, 100 100th, 30 100th. Okay, because here only 3 they said hundreds are shaded, so we will get 30 hundreds. So total 100, 200, 100 plus 100, 200, 200 plus 30, 200, 30 100. Okay, so what does it mean? It means, oh my god, 2.3 is equivalent to 23 tenth and 230 hundredth. We call it 230 hundredth. I will write on here 230 hundredth, 230 hundredth DTH. Okay, you write down spelling. You better know spelling of this. HUNDREDTH hundreds. Okay, how many hundreds are there? 230 hundreds. Clear to you? How many tenths were there? 23 tenths. Clear to you? Very easy it is. First we are cutting into 10 sections. So we'll get 10 tenth, 10 tenth, 10 tenth here and here 3 tenth. Now again we will cut these 10 into 10 sections. So it's at that time we'll get hundredth. So now that is same 10 10. See, this is the same. We are cutting just here like this. Here I have shown this. See, smaller. So first this is now earlier I made 10 10. Then after that when he cut in this way, so I have written hundreds. So in the bottom 100 I have written. First I cut it into 10, then each tenth is divided into 10 section again. Okay, cut into 10 section again. So we'll get 100 100. Okay, first 10 tenth, then 100 100, but both of them are identical, equal. Okay, because of the same section we cut into different pieces, smaller pieces. Hundreds means very very small. Okay, so when we'll cut the same piece into smaller pieces, we'll get more number of pieces, but which will be the smaller unit. Okay, so 2.3 equal to 2 3 tenth, that is equal to 23 tenth and 230 hundredths. Clear? Here I have written, in the fraction form also. Then I have written this improper fraction. So decimal form, improper, this is mixed number and this is improper fraction. Clear? And then this is area model. When they will ask area model, at that time you have to draw like this and write on 23 tenth. Here it is 230 hundredths. Clear, Ellie? Oh my sweetheart, it's very easy. See, here I have done 3.6. There I had an how much I did it there, 23. Now here, oh, it's a very big unit, 36 tenth. Okay, so it was actually it is 3.6. So I did it that 3.6 again, cut it into 10 pieces. Four, we will draw 4 boxes because this 3.6 is more than 3. Okay, so that is why we have to write down 4 boxes, and it is 4 tenth less than 4. Okay, so that is why we have to make 4 boxes. And here first we cut it into 10 pieces, so each is 1/10, 1/10, 1/10. So from here to here, this is 1/10, here to here, this is 10/10, here to here, this is 10/10, here to here, that is 10/10. So that is 1 whole, 1 plus 1 whole plus 1 whole plus 6/10 is equal to 0.6. We can write down, so it will become 3.6. Okay, or we can write down it like this, 3/6. We did it earlier, right, Ali? So see, 3 now. Oh, grandma, you are very smart. You cut again 10 into 10 pieces again. Yes, sweetheart, it is 10 pieces again. When we are doing cross like this, then it will become hundreds. Okay, so this is 100, 100, this is 100, 100, and this is 100, 100, and this is 60 hundredths. Okay, earlier it was 6/10. Now we will multiply 10 here, 10 here, so it will be 60 hundredths. Okay, so count, add them together. 100 plus 100, 200 plus 300, total 100, 100, 200, 300, total 300 plus 60, 360 hundred hundredth. Okay, so there are 3.6 is having 36/10, that is and equal to 360 hundred, means it is much more smaller unit. For example, if you cut one paper first 10, and then again you making it small sections, then it will become more smaller. Okay, but this whole will be remain the same. Then like that, 360 is equal to 36/10, that is equal to 3.6. Clear, Ellie? I love you, sweetheart. It's very easy, very easy, very easy. First 10 segments, and then here 100 segments are there everywhere. Because we are cutting 10th into the 10 section, 10th into 10 section, 10th into 10 section, 10th into 10 section. But here shaded are only 60 because it is 6.6. Here it was, since it was 6/10, so that is why it will become here 60 hundred, because we are discussing about hundreds. Okay, so 1010 everywhere more because we have crossed this. Okay, God bless you, sweetheart. Love you. Hope it will help you. Press like button so that I will find out you learn this. God bless you.